Installing the Ozcode Production Debugger for an app service or function app is a simple three-step process. First, create a new application in Ozcode. Once the application is created, copy the token. In the app service, install the Ozcode extension. You can find it by scrolling or using Ctrl F to search for Ozcode. While the extension is installing, move to the Configuration section. In the Configuration section, add a new application setting called Ozcode Agent Token. Paste in the value from earlier. Now save the application and wait for it to restart. Once the app is running and receiving requests, Ozcode will show it connected, and telemetry will flow to the debugger.